How to pay with Klarna on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll show you on how to pay with Klarna on Temu. So if you're interested, let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, you need to open your Temu application, log into your account, and then add the items you want to buy in your cart. Once you're done adding the items to the cart, go to the cart section. Now proceed to check out. Be aware that there may be minimum purchase amount required to complete your order. Once you've selected your items, click on the Checkout button. And in the checkout page, you will see your order summary. Along with your address and phone number, make sure to enter your details and scroll down to find the payment methods. Here, look for Klarna, which you will find between PayPal and Afterpay. Select it and you will see your payment details. And if you want to continue, click on the Pay with Klarna button. And for your first payment, it will show an amount and follow the prompts on the next pages, which include logging into your Klarna account and confirming your transactions. And if you don't have a Klarna account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. If you don't see your Klarna option, it means that Klarna is not available in your country. Klarna is currently limited to certain regions, including parts of Europe and the US. So if you do see it, select Klarna, log in, and complete your checkout. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. So do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.